How to fix the Cash app too many attempts problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having this trouble on the Cash app, here are some of the steps that you need to follow. First and foremost, you need to make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. Try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi to check if it's a network related issue. Likewise, the next step is head over to Play Store or App Store to search for the Cash app, and if there's any update available, make sure to tap on it. Sometimes the issue is related with the bugs and it could be fixed in the latest release. Likewise, for the next step, head over to your Cash app and long press it. Once you have done so, head over to the app info like I have done in this app, and then head over to storage and cache. This way, you should be able to clear the cache for the Cash app as well. Now that this is done, relaunch the application and check if the issue persists. However, if it does, you'll have to uninstall the app and install it once again. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.